Hi students, this is a quick demonstration of cross-hand arpeggios. An arpeggio comes from the word harp, which means strumming the strings. So once you know the 4 types of triads, major, minor, diminished, and augmented, you can cover a lot of keyboard ground by arpeggiating these. So as you can see, I used blue for left hand, black for the right hand. The left hand will first play the triad, then the right hand, then left hand crosses over to play the tonic note, then we come back down the triad. So left hand, right hand, cross over, come back down. One more time. You can do this also with the minor triad. All we do is change the E to the E flat, E flat. Now it's minor. You can make it diminished by flatting the G's as well. Flat the G's. Now if I want to make it augmented, I'm going to add sharps to the G, take away those flats. G sharp, C, E, G sharp is an augmented triad. So here's our augmented triad, cross-hand arpeggio. Returning to the major, you can also add pedal on these, which makes it sound even nicer. And once you're comfortable, I encourage you to take it more octaves. Start lower and just keep crossing. This is excellent practice to gain familiarity and comfort with a wide range on the keyboard.